Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a look at a recent trade-in that just came in. This is a 2021 Sea Ray SLX 280. So just 28-foot boat here, traditional open bow. We have the classic Sea Ray blue hull side right here and the white gel stripe. So it looks really sharp and matches with the tower above. As we make our way to the swim platform, this does have the sea deck on here. Submersible swim step, so you push a button, this lowers down into the water. It's a great way to get in and out of the boat. And we have the Mercruiser 350 horsepower Bravo 3. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting on the stern of the boat here, you can see we have a nice starboard entryway inside the boat. We have our sun pad back here, and then we have some seat backs. So if you're anchored and hanging out, it's a great place to relax. As you make our way inside, we have an insulated cooler right here in the flooring, and then also a transom remote. So if you're hanging out in the water, you don't have to go all the way back to the helm to listen to your music. And then Sea Ray does a great job of having entry points into the boat that's really safe. So you're gonna be able to step down onto this step to get on and off the dock. Making our way inside here, again, we have the snap-in sea deck, so you can take this out and clean below it. And then also nice L-shaped seating right here. This is the dune or tan interior. Really complements the blue exterior. Over here we have a spot to put a cooler underneath, lots of storage around the boat, and this is a manual tower that folds down. And we also have our bimini top up here for sun protection. At the helm, great station up here. We have a seat with a flip-up bolster. It's comfortable for a couple passengers and captain to sit right here, and then also our co-captain. Tilt steering wheel, you can see we have the blue LED lighting on right now. Fusion audio, so it's gonna be really great sound quality across the boat. And then our two Cermat display screens, so you can check all your engine vitals, engine diagnostics, chart plotting. It's gonna be very accessible here at the helm. As we make our way over here to the port side, this has a head on it, which is a nice feature. And then also in-floor storage or a ski locker. Making our way up to the bow, and we have a nice center walkthrough up here. We have an air dam right here, so this door closes, and the windshield, so if you want to block out some of that wind, maybe in the early season, like right now here in Minnesota, it's a great feature to have. And then also some more storage underneath the helm. And then up here in the bow, seating on either side, it's a great spot to kick back, relax, and enjoy your time on the water. All right, thanks for watching. This is a 2021 Sea Ray SLX 280. It's here at our store in Rogers. Season's here. Come on by and take a look or give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.